So in this video we're going to show you how to remove the key from the remote and replace the battery. This is a keyless entry remote from an '07 M6, but it'll apply to any remote of this style. So we'll remove the case just so it's a little easier to show, but you don't have to. You can do this with the case on. Here the pin at the bottom will hold it stationary so it doesn't move, and then we'll just spin the BMW logo. And that comes out. Pull the pin. Now the case is separate from the remote. We'll flip it over. You'll press this button here, which removes the key. Press and slide out. And then you can just take your fingernail and pull up on this middle section of the case. The battery is there. It's a let me just double check, CR2032. So take your new battery and pop it in. There's a spring on it, so it'll try to come out, but just hold it level. Take the cover and it just snaps back in. Insert the key again. That clicks. Put your case back on and you're all set.